for Cooking with Carly. Here's your host, Carly. 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 Carly.
Welcome to Carly's Cooking Show. Now that you've gotten comfortable with the idea of culture and identity, it's time to get messy and figure out our own. Now I know what you all are thinking. Carly, what's so important about an identity diagram? Well, there are lots of reasons it's good to be familiar with your identity and different aspects of your culture. Both culture and identity help shape our perceptions, judgments, and experiences about ourselves and others. The more you know about your identity, the more you're able to understand how it affects your daily life. We all have some really important ingredients that make us who we are. Everyone's unique, so everyone's ingredients will be different. Let's begin with race. I'm white. Now we can add some ethnicity. I'm Polish, Austrian, Russian, and Dutch. A lot of people will have multiple ethnicities. Now we can sprinkle in some nationality. I'm American, and I live in the United States. Now we can add something that a lot of people deal with when they interact with people in their daily lives. I identify as a girl. Let's see, where's Jim? Ah, here we go. And my sexual orientation is heterosexual. There are some things about your culture and identity that you can't control, but then there are others that you can. For instance, lifestyle. I'm gluten-free. For my family, I'm a daughter and a sister. For my profession, I'm a singer and an actress. And for my education, I'm a student and I'm majoring in social change. My values include feminist and social activist. And now we can add just a sprinkle of personality. I am an extrovert. Remember, your ingredients will be different than mine because everyone's ingredients are unique. Now I've got all my ingredients, let's put it in the oven and see what we've got. Looks yummy. And here we have it, my identity diagram. Now that we've explored our own identities, it's crucial that we engage in an active dialogue about our cultures and identities. Learning about other people's experiences, beliefs, and what makes them unique can help us respect and appreciate them.